Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Catherine with A Perfect Place to Start, and today I have 3 Thrift to Treasure Farmhouse DIYs for you, so let's get started. For this project, we're going to take this wagon. It was gifted to me by a friend. It was full of some fall decor. I removed all of the fall decor, cleaned out the inside, and now I'm ready to just give it some paint. So I decided to go with white Waverly chalk paint. I'm going to go ahead and give it 2 coats on the metal part and the wood parts, and then 1 coat on the burlappy looking part. I do go ahead and do the inside of the wagon as well as the under part of the wagon, just in case wherever I decided to display it, you wouldn't be able to see any of the brown sticking out. Once the paint is finished, it's looking amazing. I'm so excited with how it's turning out. I just went ahead and put some floral foam into the middle, and then I'm taking some florals that I had left over from last year. They are also from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to fill in this arrangement so that you can't see the inside of the wagon. And once I have that finished, then this project is complete.
What I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can...
If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Catherine with A Perfect Place to Start. I love to do seasonal decor, Dollar Tree DIYs, home decor, and thrift to treasure. So if that is something you're into, I would love it if you went down, hit the subscribe button, and became a part of my YouTube family. For this project, we're going to take this picture frame that I picked up at a garage sale for $1. I'm going to remove the top part that has this bow and Christmas trees hanging from it. I finally cut it off, only to realize later that it was actually put on there with a staple from a staple gun. So I use my pliers and remove the staple. Then I'm going to use my sanding block, and I'm just going to go over the entire frame and get off all of the red glitter from the frame. Next, I take some Waverly white chalk paint and I go over the entire frame with my chalk paint. It takes me about 3 or 4 coats to get all of the red. Next, I take some wire garland that I picked up at Hobby Lobby in the party section, and I just wind it around a few times till I get the desired size of the wreath that I want to hang on the picture frame. Once I have that in the desired circle that I like, I go ahead and kind of fold it over a little bit at the top because it is wire, it holds it together, and then I just kind of play around with it, make it into the circle, and then I'm going to glue it to the top of the house. Once I get the wreath glued on there, I'm going to take this buffalo check ribbon that I got at the Dollar Tree. I tied it in a simple shoelace bow. I'm dovetailing the ends and gluing it onto the top of the wreath, and then this project is complete. For this project, I'm taking these two bowls that I got at a thrift store. They are crate and barrel bowls, and at first I wanted to use them for just bowls, but the bigger bowl has some nicks and a chip on the top, and so I decided to go ahead and make them into planters. I'm using some nautical rope from the Dollar Tree. I did unwind the nautical rope, so I have 3 pieces now instead of 1 big piece, and I'm just going to glue and twist all around both of the pots. Because I untwisted the nautical rope, it only takes me 2 packages of the nautical rope to do both of the bowls. Once that step is complete, I'm going to add some newspaper into the bottom of these bowls. I am out of floral foam, so I figured this would just be an okay alternative. Since I'm using fake succulents, I figured it wouldn't make that big of a difference. So it took 1 piece of newspaper in the smaller bowl and then 2 pieces of newspaper in the larger bowl. Once I get the newspaper in, I'm going to go take my succulents and add them to the bowls. I got these succulents at the Dollar Tree. I just sort of play around a little bit, adding them to the bowls until I get the desired look that I'm going for. I add 2 succulents to the smaller bowl and 3 succulents to the larger bowl. Once I get the succulents into the pots and I have the Spanish moss all arranged, then this project is complete. Thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below which one was your favorite, and are you going to try to recreate any of these? As always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.